Here I've got Zopo Speed 7 and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications and go to the settings. Now scroll down and select the date and time, so it's the first tab under system, and you can either have an automatic date and time, so it will be network provided time or GPS provided time, or you can switch off automatic date and time and you can set it up manually by yourself, so you can select particular date and time. Then you can also have an automatic time zone, or you can switch it off as well and then select the one that you would like to have, for example this one. Finally, you can also change the format of your clock, so you can either have a 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off and have the standard one, so 12-hour format clock. The last option is the date format, so click over here to select the one that you like the most, so just pick the date format that you would like to have. It can be this one. So that's it. Then if you would like to go back to automatic settings, simply tap on this switcher and then select network provided time. So that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.